Okay, looking at our article, Tennessee Titans and Minnesota Vikings close facilities after Titans players test positive for coronavirus. Okay, looking at key people and events, some names mentioned were Daquan Jones, Bo Brinkley, Tommy Hudson, Roger Goodell, the commissioner of the NFL. There's other players, people's names mentioned, perhaps even the reporter from ESPN that you'd want to include in this section. Looking at key and main ideas and opinions. So coronavirus, its impact on the NFL players, staff, and schedule. Looking at the article, they talked, about should this game be postponed till Monday? Will it play at all? How's it going to affect other players and other games in the future? And the family members. So there's other key ideas that you might want to include in this section. Evidence in support or refute of the idea. I stated here that the Tennessee Titans had to close their training facility Tuesday that will affect them in preparing to play for Pittsburgh on the game Sunday if the game can be played at all. Looking at the greater question of, how is this impact going to continue the coronavirus going to impact other games to be played in the NFL season as the virus continues to spread? Looking at those keywords or quotes, I quoted, out of abundance of caution, the organization decided to work remotely today as the NFL follows protocol related to the COVID-19 virus. I thought this is important because Tennessee Titans have to work remotely through looking at films and that. How does that affect their actually physical training to be prepared for a game and impact their season? Okay, looking at key ideas and themes in your own words, should the Titans play their game Sunday or even Monday as players, staff test positive for the coronavirus? Is it okay for the team to be ill and possibly others that haven't tested positive be playing against other team members in such close contact? Clarifying questions. Is there something you need to clarify? Like, is it fair for the Tennessee Titans to play on Sunday or Monday and possibly spread the disease? Is it okay for them to play when their team members might not be apart and haven't tested positive for the coronavirus? Keywords in your synonym. So a word that was repeated was abundance. Abundance caution was repeated in our article. What's a synonym for the word abundance? And I think you need to choose the second word from the article and list its synonym here. Okay, in your opinion, clearly stated and supported is. So as in Mr. Wood's example, for myself, I believe that the Tennessee Titans should proceed with the game on Sunday with limited players. What is your personal opinion after reading this article? 1 to 2 sentences here in this box.